Our purpose with this course is to guide you, take you by the hand step by step, and show you a working system, teach you the fundamental tools you need to have in order to answer NCLEX questions the day of your exam. My name is Rainier Arado. I am a registered nurse and professor for NCLEX Crusade International Academy. I want to welcome you to our free NCLEX review course on our YouTube channel. This cannot be true. There is no way someone is going to teach me for free. Nobody gives anything for free nowadays. Well, why don't you give me a chance?